How to enable ultra-wide mode on Snapchat. If you see here, you can see the menu right here. If you tap on it, there are options that shows up here. So first thing you need to know that to enable it on Snap, your camera should phone have an ultra-wide camera. So if you have that, your ultra-wide mode should be, but this is not showing right now here on my screen because my phone have an camera. But if you have an ultra-wide camera but you still can't see there on the drop-down menu, what you can do is go to settings and scroll down to support and tap on I need help. This will open up the help and support page of Snapchat, and from here you can search for ultra-wide and search for the results. Here will be some related articles right here that can help you. So tap on the first one that says how do I use ultra-wide camera. And here are a few ways to enable ultra-wide camera. The first one is to tap the icon on the toolbar. And the second one is to pinch and zoom out of your camera. But if that still doesn't work, you can contact the Snapchat's help and support team and send them a message that the methods are not working, and they should reach out to you within a few days and bring up a possible solution to your problem. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.